Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. At the end of this week, the following macroeconomic events will grab traders' attention. One of the key events on Thursday is the release of the unemployment data from Australia for March. Most analysts expect that the jobless rate would have declined to the level of 5.5%. In February, Australia's unemployment rate moved higher as the number of part-time jobs fell while participation in the labour force rose to its highest level in 7 years. The unemployment rate reached 5.6% on a seasonally adjusted basis, adding 0.1%. Analysts had expected to see no changes in the rate. The Australian economy created 17,500 new jobs in February, short of the expected 20,000. The participation of women in the labour market hit a fresh record of 60.6%, while overall participation jumped to 65.7%, the highest position since December 2010. Another Thursday's key report is to be released in the UK. The United Kingdom will unveil the retail sales data for March. The volume of retail sales, including auto fuel, is expected to have fallen by 0.5% from the previous month. In February, the British retail sales were up by 0.8%, but the increase was not enough to make up for the weakness of spending in December and January. Retail sales in the 3 months to February, a better guide to the underlying trend than 1 month figures, declined by 0.4% on the previous quarter. British retailers are hoping that the recent fall in inflation and the pickup in earnings growth will lead to rising real income and increased spending by consumers during 2018. Additionally, the following reports will be out at the end of this week. New Zealand will release inflation data. The US is expected to share reports on weekly jobless claims and on manufacturing activity in the Philadelphia region. On Friday, Japan will report on consumer price index. Canada is to publish data on retail sales and inflation. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by Insta TV team. See you next week. Bye.